Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're located on Earth. It is time for the PulseWave Report with yours truly, Dex the Agro Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Reports. Let's get into it. The first chart that we have that you will see on your screen is Tesla. Let's pull that up. All right, so coming into today, you see we had the rally alert. And now we got that upside production today, getting close toward the initial target, which is going to be right here at the overhead trend line resistance. So that's around 689, 690-ish a share, and we'll see what it can do after that. So this one is moving according to the pattern of the bulls. Next up, we got DOT. So DOT actually hit overhead resistance today. And now we're going to decide, is it going to have enough energy to push through, or are we going to get that infamous crash alert tomorrow? So this is a very interesting time for the DOT, but it is doing very well right now. Next up is Ethereum. Ethereum also pushed beyond resistance boundary also, and looking like it wants to continue to explode. This one is looking really, really good. All right, next up we have a Litecoin. All right, Litecoin has also moving. This one's moving sideways. It's not moving like Ethereum. This one's kind of consolidating already, running out of steam, and we're not even close enough to the resistance zone yet. But we still got that upside production. So this one has a big question mark on it. We're in a neutral phase. We're not trending. And I don't know if we're going to get enough momentum to start trending. So this one is questionable. It looks like it may get attacked here in the next couple of days. We'll have to watch it closely on Litecoin. All right, next up is THETA. So THETA, we got that downside production today from the crash alert. The target is the trend line support way down here. So this one's looking like the short is on, and the bears are starting to gain control of this market. Next up is the XRP Ripple. All right, we have a crash alert on this one for tonight into tomorrow's trading on XRP Ripple. I think the trend line support is not only your initial target, but I think that's what we're going to find support and then get a technical bounce, just like we have in times past. All right, because this one's just moving sideways until we get, some real trending going on here. Okay, this next one is Request. It is an ETF. The ticker is ARKG. It's ARK Genomic Revolution. It came into today with a rally alert. This one is on your dashboard, and we did get some upside production today. Overhead trendline resistance is the initial target on this one. All right, next one is gold futures. We've been tracking this, and we got a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Looks like we put in a bottom. Looks like the test of this prior support is successful. Didn't take it out. So it looks like now we want to head back up toward the overhead resistance. We shall see. Next up, we have the NASDAQ E-mini 100 futures. It's the E-mini NASDAQ 100. So the bears are still in control. You got that little pop today, but you're right here at the top of the Kumo cloud overhead resistance zone. So big possibility of a short of the bears taking advantage of the pop today as another shorting opportunity. Next up, we got the crude oil futures. So crude oil got a little bit of downside production today from the crash alert that we got last night. So did get that little bit of downside production, and we're already down at trend line support, which is right there lined up to the top of the Kumo cloud. So that's a pretty strong support. We'll see if it can hold, or will the bears come in and beat this down some more. Bears seem to be in control of the market for now. All right, next up, we got the Russell My Hustle. This is the Russell futures. So here was the initial crash alert. Here's the initial downside production, just a slither. And then you got a total reversal today before pulling back into the close. Bears still got this one, ladies and gentlemen. Believe it or not, the Bears still got it for now. We'll see what happens. Will the Bears come in and use this rally as an opportunity to crush it? Or are we going to see something else? Next up is the silver futures. So here's the rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Just like with the gold, overhead trend line resistance is the initial target. And so be on alert on that one. All right, next up we have Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, touching that 60,000. And now we've set up a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. FYI, those who use KuCoin, they are having a service thing going on with the trading platform going into tomorrow, which is the 1st. So just be aware of that. There's going to be a 90-minute period where the thing will be down, the trading platform will be down. So just FYI on that. All right. Okay, last but not least is the Doji. Let's take a look here. All right, so you see the big old run up we had from the 2 rally alerts. Then we've been coming down ever since, moving sideways. Now we have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading here. All right, so that's it, folks. Eyes and ears open. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.